A car dash cam, also known as a dashboard camera or DVR, digital video recorder, is a device that is typically mounted on the windshield or dashboard of a vehicle to record video and audio while driving. It is designed to capture footage of the road ahead and sometimes the interior of the vehicle. Are you looking car dash camera? In this video, I will show you top 5 best car dash camera. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Kawa D6 Car Dash Cam. This dash cam offers a multitude of impressive features that make it a standout choice in the market. The D6 records videos in 1440 pixel resolution, delivering clear and crisp footage that captures every detail of the road. Whether it's during the day or at night, the dash cam's night vision ensures excellent visibility and enhances the overall video quality. The 24-hour parking mode is another great addition. It ensures that the dash cam remains vigilant even when the car is parked. The camera automatically detects any motion or impact and starts recording, providing me with valuable evidence in case of any incidents or accidents. The Wi-Fi app control is a handy feature that allows me to connect my smartphone to the dash cam via Wi-Fi. This enables me to view live footage, playback recordings, and download videos directly to my phone. The app interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and access various settings. In terms of design, the Kawa Car DVR D6 Dash Cam is sleek and compact, blending seamlessly with my car's interior. The installation process was straightforward, and the adjustable mount ensures the perfect positioning for optimal recording angles. Number 4. 70mm M500 Dash Cam. The 70mm Dash Cam M500 is a car DVR dash camera designed for recording video footage while driving. It features a high-definition resolution of 1944 pixel and a wide field of view, FOV, of 170 degrees, allowing for a broad perspective of the road ahead. The camera supports GPS and ADAS, which can provide additional safety features such as lane departure warning and forward collision warning. One notable feature of the 70mm Dash Cam M500 is its 24-hour parking monitoring capability. This means that even when the car is parked and the engine is turned off, the camera can still monitor the surroundings and record any potential incidents or accidents. This feature can be useful for ensuring the safety of your vehicle when it's unattended. The dash cam also includes built-in eMMC storage, which is a type of flash memory used for data storage. This built-in storage allows you to save the recorded videos directly on the camera without the need for an external memory card. However, it's important to note that the eMMC storage capacity may vary depending on the specific model of the dash cam. Overall, the 70mm Dash Cam M500 offers a range of features that can enhance your driving experience and provide added security on the road. Number 3. Tiesfong 360 Dash Cam. The Tiesfong 360 Dash Cam M8S is a unique 3-channel dash camera designed to provide comprehensive coverage and security for your car. It offers several notable features. The M8S is a compact and discreet dash cam, smaller than a cell phone, making it easy to hide in your car without obstructing the driver's view. For channel recording, the M8S can simultaneously record video from 4 channels, allowing you to capture footage from multiple angles. This means you can have front, rear, and side cameras installed, providing a more comprehensive view of your surroundings. High-definition recording. The M8S supports a maximum resolution of 4*1080p when recording at the same time. This ensures clear and detailed video footage, enhancing the visibility of the recorded content. Night vision. The M8S is equipped with night vision capability, which enhances visibility and recording quality in low-light conditions or during nighttime driving. The dash cam includes a parking monitoring feature, allowing it to continue monitoring and recording even when the vehicle is parked and the engine is turned off. This feature provides additional security for your car in case of any incidents or accidents while it's unattended. Wi-Fi connectivity. The M8S offers Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling you to connect the dash cam to your smartphone or other devices. This feature allows you to transfer and view the recorded videos conveniently. Maximum storage capacity. The dash cam supports a maximum storage capacity of 256 GB, allowing you to store a significant amount of video footage before needing to delete or transfer the files. Overall, the Tiesfong 360 Dash Cam M8S provides a comprehensive and versatile solution for capturing high-quality video footage from multiple angles, ensuring the security and safety of your vehicle. Number 2. Azdome M500 Dash Cam. The Azdome M500 is a 3-channel dash cam designed to provide comprehensive coverage and advanced features for your car. Here are some key features of the Azdome M500. 3-way recording. The M500 captures video footage from the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously, offering a comprehensive view of your surroundings. This allows you to monitor both the road ahead and the interior of your car. Crystal clear 4K recording. The front camera of the M500 records video in 4K resolution, delivering sharp and detailed footage. This high resolution ensures that important details are captured clearly, providing a more accurate record of events. Super night vision. The M500 is equipped with advanced night vision technology, allowing it to capture clear video footage even in low-light conditions or during nighttime driving. This feature enhances visibility and ensures that important details are not lost in dark environments. 24-hour parking monitoring. The M500 offers 24-hour parking monitoring, which means it can continue recording and monitoring your vehicle even when it's parked and the engine is off. This feature provides added security by capturing any incidents or accidents that may occur while your car is unattended. Smart accident monitoring. The dashcam features smart accident monitoring capabilities. It can detect and automatically record any sudden impacts or collisions, ensuring that critical moments are captured and preserved as evidence. GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity. The M500 is equipped with GPS functionality, allowing you to track your vehicle's location and speed data. Additionally, it offers Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling you to easily transfer and view recorded videos on your smartphone or other devices. IR night vision. The inside and rear cameras of the M500 feature infrared, IR, night vision, allowing them to capture clear video footage of the interior and rear of your car even in complete darkness. This is particularly useful for monitoring passengers or recording incidents that may occur inside the vehicle. Overall, the Azdome M500 3-channel dash cam provides high-quality video recording, advanced night vision capabilities, 24-hour parking monitoring, and smart accident monitoring features. It offers comprehensive coverage and useful functionalities to ensure the safety and security of your vehicle. Number 1. Viofo A139 Pro Dash Cam. The Viofo A139 Pro is a feature-packed dash cam that offers high-quality video recording and advanced functionalities. Sony Starvis 2 Real 4K. The A139 Pro is equipped with the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which enables it to capture real 4K resolution video. This ensures that the recorded footage is sharp, detailed, and true to life. 4K HDR Night Vision 2.0. The dashcam features 4K HDR, high dynamic range, technology for enhanced visibility and image quality, especially in low-light conditions. The Night Vision 2.0 further improves the camera's performance in dark environments, allowing you to capture clear video footage even at night. Front and rear camera. The A139 Pro includes both front and rear cameras, providing complete coverage of the road and your surroundings. This dual camera setup allows you to record the front and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. Super Night Vision. The dash cam utilizes advanced night vision technology, which enhances visibility and recording quality in low-light conditions or during nighttime driving. This ensures that important details are captured even in challenging lighting situations. Super Slim Coaxial Cable. The A139 Pro comes with a super slim coaxial cable, making it easier to route and conceal the cables in your vehicle. This helps maintain a neat and tidy installation while minimizing cable interference. Voice notification. The A139 Pro is equipped with a voice notification feature that provides audible alerts and notifications for various functions. This allows you to easily monitor the status and settings of the dash cam while driving without having to take your eyes off the road. The Viofo A139 Pro is a high-quality dash cam that combines 4K HDR recording, excellent night vision, fast Wi-Fi, GPS functionality, and additional features like a slim coaxial cable, CPL filter, voice notifications, and advanced parking mode. It provides a comprehensive and reliable solution for capturing clear and detailed video footage while driving.